You've completed your accounting degree. You've sent 20 applications, maybe 50, maybe even 100, and still no interview calls, no job offers, no responses. But how do you get experience when nobody will hire you? If you're a fresh accounting graduate facing this challenge, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stand out. Welcome to Careershule, where we help graduates build successful careers with practical strategies that work in today's job market. The biggest mistake is believing you can't get a job without experience. Employers are actually looking for potential and reliability. The real issue is presenting your value. Employers want to see your basic technical skills and a genuine willingness to learn. Many graduates have weak CVs. A strong accounting CV must include a professional summary that highlights your reporting and bookkeeping knowledge. Don't forget your education section. Highlight relevant coursework like financial management and auditing to show your technical foundation. Focus on Microsoft Excel. It's one of the most valuable accounting skills. Learn pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. Practice accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Even beginner-level familiarity can set you apart from other candidates. Create your own experience. Offer bookkeeping assistance to small businesses or community organizations. This counts as real experience. Freelance on small projects or create simulated reports like income statements. Show employers what you can actually do. Sometimes the problem is visibility. Is your CV professional? Are you applying for the right entry-level positions? Is your LinkedIn profile complete? Are you networking? Successful candidates apply strategically, not just blindly. When you get an interview, show confidence and communication. Prepare answers for common questions until they feel natural. Every finance manager was once a beginner. Don't let a lack of experience convince you that you're not qualified. Improve your CV, learn the tools, and create your own opportunities. Your first accounting job may be closer than you think. Subscribe to Careershule for more career advice. Comment first job below for a special CV format video. See you soon.